Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Della Rizkia. We'll retell the story of the baker and the judge in English. There was once a baker who had a shop. In a small town in America, this baker was not a very kind man. He never gave his customer any more bread than necessary for their money. He never smiled. But he was a very good baker. His bread the softest bread that you could imagine. Sometimes customer paid for sometimes customer paid for their bread and start eating it there in the shop. And his cake were really delicious. People come to his shop from all over town. When they walk down the street, they smile the baker. Wonderful bread and delicious cakes. And they walk right into his shop. But not everyone came inside. Some people just stood outside the shop, smiling and looking in through the windows. The baker did not like this. The stomachs are full of the smell of my bread. I'm giving them a free lunch. Perhaps there's some way to put this delicious smell in the bottles. Then I can sell them. Just I like sell my bread. One winter morning, very early, the baker in his shop making bread. He was not singing happily, he will work. He was singing happily while he worked. He was complaining to himself about getting up early, about cold weather, about anything that come into his head. In the middle of all this, he looked up and saw someone looking in through the windows. It was a young man wearing an old coat. He was looking at the baker bread and he was angry. He was smelling the fresh bread and smiling when the baker was him. He felt very angry. Thief outside my shop was full of the smell of my bread. It's free breakfast. I got nothing for my hard work while he stole my skin. The man did not move. He just stood there, closed his eyes, and smelled the fresh bread. Happily, the baker was so angry. Now he walked across the shop, opened the door, and saw that man. Pay me for what? Asked the young man, very surprised at the smell of what you have stolen, answered baker. But I did not steal anything. I only smelled the free air, said the hairy young man. It is not free if it's full of the smell of soap, answered the baker. Pay me now, or I was about to call the police. When the young man did not pay, the baker grabbed his coat and pulled him through the judge's house.